Hello guys, JL here from Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Trading 212 account. So to do this is pretty simple. So here, go to Trading 212 and then you'll be able to go open an account. From here, you can open an account and then you'll be redirected to this page. So select the country of residence that you're in. So let's just say United Kingdom. And right here, you can select from Invest, CFD, Stocks ISA, Cash ISA. So we're going to do a trading one. So we're going to do an Invest. So right here, just place your email and password. From there, as you can see, I already made one, but there's going to be no further details, just your email and password. But from here, you're going to have to set up your account. From setting up your account, you'll just have to press this. And then here, you'll have to have your tax residence, your number, and your personal details, such as your name, surname, phone number, date of birth, nationality, and basically that's it. And then it's going to verify you via the Trading 212 verification. And then let's see if you'll be able to pass their verification. Once you do, you'll be able to fund your account and you'll be able to trade from there. It's just that simple. So there you go, guys. That's it. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.